Yeah, okay.
Come on, baby! Don't go backwards, Jay. M3 is looking factory fresh once again. This is like S-Body Owners Club. Oh, that does look motorsporty.
Oh my.
It's hot. Good morning, you absolute lovelies. Welcome to a very beautiful snowy Britain. We had a couple of inches of snow yesterday. Weather is absolutely fantastic today. Check out that blue sky looking extremely nom nom. We've got to be a little bit careful this morning because it's about -2, -3, and I've got summer tyres on the BMW and they're pretty wide as well. So as you can imagine, traction is pretty limited.
A few moments later.
This car is absolutely useless in the fucking snow. If you guys have been paying attention to my social media, you will know that I picked up a very nice set of Apex performance wheels for the BMW. I've got 19x10 for the front and 19x11 for the rear, which is a little bit bigger than the stock setup. Funnily enough, Tagiwa, who are actually a very reputable Honda tuner here in the UK, they've got a massive business. They're actually the UK distributor for Apex. They very kindly sent the wheels down last week. It appears we have a slight traffic jam at the farm. I can see Mr. Car Butler detailing. There he is. Good morning.
Morning.
What's going on with the hill?
Well, you know, there's one of them 4x4 Mercs that work brilliantly in the snow. Can't get up round the bend. I think there's about 300 people trying to push him up the hill.
Mate, let's go and have a little gander.
So, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
We've abandoned the 1 Series because it was struggling. Next we've got Shawnee in the pickup truck. Look at that. Come on, baby! No trouble. Must admit, Jay, Transporter's looking very, very pimp in the snow. Don't go backwards, Jay.
I've tried that.
Yeah, no sliding. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, we're making it. Woohoo! We have finally made it to Scousers. It is very snowy.com. Here comes Eddie. Absolutely no trouble in the pinning. Perfect car, innit? Morning, son. Morning. Well done, Jay. You passed the snow farm challenge this morning.
Not with flying colours, I must say, but hey, I'm here.
Pretty good effort. And fair play to the old Zimmer as well for making it up here. I'll quickly show you guys inside. I don't really want to show you too much because the car is absolutely disgusting. The UK roads have made her pretty disgusting, but that is why we have Jay here to make her look absolutely fantastic. While Jay's just cleaning up the old wheels, which we're going to remove in a second, I'll quickly show you guys. Tagiwa! Quite a simple design, it's sort of very motorsport-esque. I'm not really a massive fan of deep dish wheels, as you guys know, and I do think this will give the car a nice sort of fresh motorsport look. As you guys can see, M3 is looking factory fresh once again, thanks to this very fine gentleman right here. I'll give you guys a little look around. Wheels are obviously coming off in a bit, but Jay's giving them a nice spruce regardless, because I'll probably do a sell at some point. Absolutely beautiful compared to how it was before. It was an absolute state. MonkyLondon.com. Make sure you do a buy. Oh man, it's like a brand new car again. You really are good at this.
I did my best. Quick demo, just to show you what the ceramic coating does. Obviously the car's clean now, but because it's been ceramic coated, and bearing in mind this was coated 8 months ago,
yeah, quite a while.
10 months ago, you know,
yeah,
still
crazy.
doing exactly
Yeah, you can literally see the water just fall straight off the car. I'll chuck Jay's website out down here. You guys, I'm sure, know what the website address is now. That's his Instagram. Make sure you do him a follow. Car butler detailing on the shirt. And if you mention Monkey London, you get a 10% discount as well. So give him a shout. Thank you, Jay.
No worries, buddy.
Thank you, Dad. And even noticed the audience has started calling you Dad as well.
Yeah, it's all good.
Is Reese isn't getting funny, is he?
No. Hey, listen, people have been calling me Dad and Granddad for ages, so listen, the more the merrier.
Well, I'll tell you what, Reese is a lucky guy. You're a top man.
Legend. I'll try and get out now.
Yeah, good luck. If you get stuck, don't call me because I've got an M3.
Yeah, no worries.
Jay, I'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Have fun, be good, take care, everybody.
Bye. Car butler detailing. Sick. Carson performance. Morning, Scousey.
Morning.
How you doing, man? Look at this beautiful array of JDMs in the car park today. This is like S-Body Owners Club.
6 maybe?
Yeah,
One
there's a lot of
inside as well.
S-Bodies here, man. Right, Apex wheels. Mr. Scouse is here just to put the tyres on. Like I said, we've got a set of 305, 30, 19-inch tyres to go on the back. Look at that girth. Bet you wish you had girth like that.
Certainly do.
I'll quickly show you guys the back of the wheels. So if any of you BMW enthusiasts are watching and you're wondering what sizes I'm running and what offset, there you go, that's the back. So it's a 90 by 11 and a 44 offset, plus 44. These are the front wheels, if you're wondering on the specs, 19 by 10 and they're a plus 25 offset as well. Oh, look at that fresh, brand new Apex rim. Looking very spandangly. Hit it, air drive. You got the wheel bolts. Absolute legend. So yeah, we forgot when we went to Hack Engineering, obviously the wheel bolts we put on the car were slightly longer to incorporate the spacers, and we actually needed the original short ones. Luckily, Eddie and the beautiful Pinning were on hand to get us there nice and safe. Such a cool little 4x4 that really is. Ta-da!
Oh,
Yeah, there's never a it's never a straightforward process within a Monkey London video, let's be honest. It looks like it's a straightforward process when you watch the video.
It's hours of work into like 3 minutes of footage.
Yeah, man, and much editing. First thing we've got to do is whip the rear wheels off, take the tyres off and take the tyre pressure sensors off as well. Look at the size of that tyre. That is some mega grips, mega smokes as well.
Someone's overcompensating for something.
Shut it, you. To be fair though, they're actually very soft. If you guys can't feel it, but
They are soft.
they
yeah.
are soft. So a few heat cycles in those and they're going to be smoking like a good one. Wheel is now balanced. Scouse is just using a heat gun because it's literally so cold at the moment that the wheel weights aren't actually really sticking to the wheels. He's just using a heat gun just to get the glue nice and sticky. Here we go, first wheel is coming out. Da -da 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 -da. Oh, that does look motorsporty. Scout's going to lower her down. Suspension might sit a little bit high. I do really like that sort of motorsport track day. Haven't been to the Nürburgring look. Actually, I have been to Nürburgring, but I've only done one lap. You've been Nürburgring?
Yeah, I went about, fuck me, 8-9 years ago. Yeah, I did 7, 8 laps. I think.
Quite a few. It's crazy track.
Yeah, I wouldn't go on in the wet.
It, mate, honestly,
The days
it was
it
like
rained, I didn't go.
it was like
Just
driving
watched.
on an ice rink. There's so much variation in tarmac grip.
Yeah.
So 1 minute you got grip, the next minute it's like driving an ice rink.
Yeah.
Let us know below in the comment section as well if you guys are a Nürburgring fan. I'm going to be taking the BMW back there pretty soon. Scouse's Active Aero.
The talking shoes.
Mate.
Hello,
my name's Scouse and I love GT turbos. So yeah, if you guys could sponsor Scouse a set of shoes or book your car in so we can afford a pair of shoes, that would be awesome. Number 2 rear is now ready. Does look good, look at that wheel. Apex performance for the absolute win. We'll do a little walk around of the wheel. I'll try not to fall over this box. Looking pretty cool. Front wheel now in place. If I sort of come back here a little bit, bear in mind Scousey's jacking the other side so it hasn't kind of settled. That should give you an idea on the new look. Very last wheel now going on in a second. Once we've done the wheel back up, we'll lower her down and A, see what she looks like with the new wheels, and B, see if we can actually get out of here, because I did try earlier on and the car didn't move. And by magic, now going to step back a little bit to give you guys an idea on how sick the car now looks. I'll go in a little bit closer because the wheels are quite dark. That gives you guys an idea on the rear. That's the fitment. Bear in mind the suspension probably settle a little bit more, but that should give you a rough idea on what it looks like. Just as cool, nice little close-up, stand back. Obviously the fronts do sit a little bit higher on these. I am running IBAC springs, which does lower the car down about 20 mil, but I would firmly say that that looks pretty goddamn sick. We actually decided to run the Apex center caps because obviously they're Apex wheels and not BMW wheels, and it kind of makes sense to display the actual brand. Bear in mind at the moment we haven't got the CT carbon on board. There'll be a front splitter, side skirts, rear diffuser, and a little spoiler as well. And I do think that these little black sort of or dark carbon fibre elements will really kind of accentuate the wheels and give it a bit more of a aggressive look. That is a solid, well, in my books, a 20 out of 10. What are you lads saying?
12.
12?
30 out of 10.
Mate, absolute
30,
legend,
30.
Isaac.
Yeah, 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. Nice one, Eddie. Pretty much today's video. Big shout out to Apex Performance. I think you guys can tell their wheels are absolutely sick and the car looks fantastic. Give them a cheeky little follow down here and contact Agiwa if you want to buy some in the UK or in Europe. Code Monky London for 5% off. Big shout out to Mr. Scouse at Carson Performance with helping with the wheels. And I've got a new car coming in the next episode as well, or maybe 2 episodes away. So lots of exciting John content coming up for you lovelies. As always, give the video a like, put any comments down below. I'll do my best to get back to you, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Peace.